Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to share YouTube videos on your phone. To do this, you have just to go to YouTube, open it, and after
One of my
opening
videos just hit
YouTube, you
1
have
billion.
just to choose whatever video that you want to share. For example, I will go to this video. And to share the video, as you can see, there is an icon here, like that arrow icon. Just click on it and it will give you like the option to share that video via Facebook, Reddit, X, WhatsApp, or any social media apps that you have. And if you can't find your app here, you can just copy the link or create copy link and go and paste that link in any conversation or any place that you want, and this video will be shared. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our account, to like this video, and see you in the next one.